look, we can keep inside this and this and this. Bye.
Why bye? Now you should take these out and you should make some food. Right?
Yay! Sit down.
I am sitting here next to you.
Ah,
Okay, I am sitting here next to you.
turn it down.
Can you start making?
it down.
Because I am making your video.
Okay.
Jenan, what are you making?
Make something.
What? Look at me and say
It's a secret.
it's a secret thing. Okay.
I cannot tell you.
Okay. So tell me one by one. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for this.
Okay.
This is a fire. If you watch the butter.
Okay.
This is a food.
You are putting water. Okay. Very good.
Now for noodles.
Noodles. Okay, this is for noodles.
Mom will come back.
Yes.
Now it will be ready.
You make it very fast. So tell us, what did you make?
And it will be ready soon.
Come here. Come here. Where are you today?
I'm in the kitchen.
Kitchen. IKEA kitchen.
Yes, this is IKEA kitchen.
Okay.
These are for boys.
Hmm.
These are for boys, I said.
These are for boys.
Yeah.
Okay. And this chair is for babies, right?
Yeah, but also for big boys.
Okay, come down.
Wow, there's zero.
Check your food. Maybe it's ready now.
No,
Still not ready?
no.
Why?
Maybe we can put inside something.
What?
This is kitchen.
Hmm.
Chicken.
Hmm.
Now I'm gonna freeze everything.
Now what are you doing?
I'm sitting. Now noodles are ready.
Noodles are ready. Okay. But where are you putting it? Yummy noodles. Show us.
I cannot show you. It's a secret.
Okay, it's a secret. Yummy noodles. These are colorful noodles, right?
Yeah.
Show
I
us
made
which
them.
colors are they?
Red,
Hmm.
yellow,
Hmm.
green.
Okay, wow.
You can
It's a yummy, colorful noodles, right? Uh-oh.
I got it.
How is it?
Yum.
Yummy? It's a yummy noodle?
It's spicy little bit.
Spicy? Come here. Come here.
It's little bit spicy.
It's
And
little
this
bit
one
spicy.
is quagga.
This one is quagga. Which one is quagga?
This golden one is good.
Golden one is quagga.
Yeah. Eat. Try.
Yes. Mmm.
Try. Golden is good.
Yes, really good. That's some cook there,
And green one is pepperoni.
Pepperonis, huh? Take this now, put it there. And let's move to the next room, okay?
But I still gonna ready my
What are you making now?
I'm making a chicken.
Chicken? Okay, but noodles are enough. Let's go.
But now it's chicken time.
Okay, chicken time.
Look, I put inside chicken.
This is chicken kebab, huh?
Mm-hmm. You can eat it before I get some.
Okay.
First I have to put it in this.
Let's move to the next room now.
Look, Daddy, it's almost garaming.
Garaming.
Yeah, it's almost.
Eating.
It's almost doing time.
You put it in the microwave, right?
It's micro. Aji sarma kiyo.
Microwave de.
Stay.
Microwave. Rata microwave ki kyun khudo?
Now it's done.
Really hot. Be careful.
You can do from there.
Okay. Let's move to the next room.
No.
Because we want to meet your friend as well.
Yeah, but first I have to make the chicken.
There are your friends. They are waiting for you. Let's go. Jenan.
Hey, look, Papa. I found something in here.
Yeah, this is a sink dish, right?
Yeah.
This is a sink. Why you put it out?
I don't know.
Okay.
Uncle have to put inside milk.
Milk?
Yes. They have to put inside neatly.
Neil. Okay. I will
Yeah.
ask them. They will screw it. Okay.
They have to put inside like this.
Yeah, they will put some screws there. No worries. Okay.
Yeah, but where are the builder? Like this.
They will come. This is what I'm telling. Let's go to the next room. Your
Yeah.
friends are waiting.
Now it's almost ready.
Chicken is ready.
Yep.
Now we are going to Faizan. He is also having some stuff.
Hi guys.
Yes, Faizan. So what are you doing? Tell us.
Just building a train track,
Okay.
and I don't know what I should take. But just
Okay.
simply making things.
Okay. Jenan will also help you.
You want to go? Now let's try this over here. Perfect. This is the sign, so no train allowed. No trains allowed. Hey, Dad! Look! What we found in here? We have that before.
What is that?
That's our guitar!
Huh?
That's our guitar! And look, Papa! That's our spinning! Jenny, let's play a game. Let's play a game. Let's see who can get the highest number, okay? Ready? Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. My turn first. I got 20! Now your turn. Wait. Okay. Let it be on 23, 2, 1, spin. Spin. Enough. 3! And the winner! And the winner!
Oh, 24. Jenny wins.
Cheating.
What are you doing, Faizan? Tell us again.
Still making the transfer. Here how it goes. You start from here. You go like this. Now it's your choice. It can go this way or this way. So I want it to go this way. You go over here, cross the bridge, turn around, and stop. No trains allowed.
Okay.
And then you go back, cross the bridge, and go here. You go like this. Now I'm still making the new path.
Okay, the new track is still in the process, huh? Okay.
Hey guys!
Let's see.
You can go for Jenan until I make this.
Okay, Jenan.
Guys,
What is that, Jenny?
that you put inside everything. See?
You have to hit it with the hammer, right?
Look, Daddy. It's a chair.
Hmm.
Look, we can see. It's perfect.
What is that?
It's only for girls, not for boys.
Okay.
But white color is for boys. Now for girls, for boys. Dad, we have like this. Look, we have it like this.
Yes, we have it.
It works like this, just a magnet. So you take this magnet. You take the magnet side, it takes it and it keeps it. But this one is a strong magnet.
So this is a lifter, right?
Yeah, but this is not smooth.
And who is this guy?
Huh?
Who is
I
this
don't
one?
know.
You don't know him?
This is somebody else, right? Look what I can do for him. Let's go down the slide. Not this one, the other one, the fixed one. Whee! Oh. Gimme. Hey, go.
Yes, you have it here. But how can you try? You cannot try. You can't reach there. No, so you should keep it here because these are the other friends. You see? Keep it here.
I want to slide.
Okay, come here. Slide it.
Dad, be careful.
Here, slide it here.
This one is one of the slow ones.
You can slide it here.
I can slide it somewhere. Maybe I can slide it right here.
Now you need to fix the slide. No, not like this. Brother,
Yes.
please help Jenan. Yes, it's fixed now.
Oh, done. You should make them all by yourself, Dad.
You are in the IKEA, right?
Yeah. And the
Okay.
last piece. Yeah.
Faizan, did you make a new track?
Yeah, but I think we're done.
Okay.
Just let me take this sign and put one here. Guys! Here. Look. No allowed. The foundation. So guys, let me put these strings together.
Hmm.
So these are the borders. So they'll go and they'll come till here or here, their choice, okay? They'll pick some things and they'll load them on it and they'll come back. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how it goes. I know how to fix them. Okay. I know how to fix. No. Leave. Jenny, no, stop. You're breaking it. Stop. Leave it.
So Jenny, what are you doing?
I'm gonna make those trains.
Okay.
From where you want to? You want to start from here or here? From here. From here? Come backwards. Okay, you can start. 1, 2, 3, go. Choo, choo.
Choo choo train.
Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, train. La la choo.
Yay.
Yay! Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, train. Wait. Choo, choo, train. Now can I click? My turn.
Start.
Okay guys, so here how the train goes. So one of the train has to be separated. So we go like this and go. Now this is a separate way. Some can go here, some can go here. So I
Yes.
want the blue to go here. Okay? And these two to come over here.
Okay.
Choo. Crossing the bridge. Going round and stop. They made it to the station. Now it's the blue's turn. We come over here, take the border, go backwards, and come back and put it here.
Okay.
That's how my track goes.
Yay, nice track. Okay, now Jenny's turn. Jenny, what you want to show us?
Look guys, I found a horse.
This is a unicorn horse, right?
This is not the unicorn.
Oh.
Guys, look. It's a deer, I guess.
It's a deer. Don't push. Don't take it out. Okay guys, it's a time to say a goodbye and ask the guys to subscribe to our channel. Jenny, your turn.
Look, we found a big tree.
Don't open.
It's a big change. 1 circle, 2 circle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, 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 all things, chain stuffs, and chain stuffs.
Okay, guys.
And bye
Now.
bye, guys. Look, I'm gonna keep it by my stronger. Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
Guys, now. Thank you guys for watching our video. And make sure to like and subscribe this video, share this video to your friends. Bye. I'm going to sleep. Guys, and look, this is a big watching. Bye. And guys, you know how to make this? Children can make by themselves.
Yay.
Bye.
Bye bye. Jenny, bye bye.
Real
Bye.
thing. Look. So, come with me, guys. So come. She'll never gonna end. I'm gonna do this now. So, it's time to do choo-choo time. Jenny. Wait, stop, please. Guys, look. This is a red train, right? Go backwards. And a red bridge. Red train, red bridge. A green train, a green sign.
Okay, guys. Now it's the time to say goodbye.
Bye. Then look, they can come here also. Look, they come like this and come back like this. Guys, I'm gonna make everything if Dad's saying bye, and Dad is disturbing me everywhere. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye bye.